Today, we're going to show you how to set up your Summerset Kegerator. First, unpackage your Kegerator and lay out the Kegerator parts on a flat surface, ensuring you have the following: 1 CO2 regulator, 1 keg coupler, 1 keg tap and tap handle, 1 CO2 tank. Remember, you need to get your tank charged or exchange it for one that's charged. 1 keg tower with internal connected translucent hose, 1 red hose with 2 fasteners, 4 short bolts and washers, and 4 long bolts, 4 nuts and 2 rubber washers, and 1 tap tray. Then, guide the translucent hose through the Kegerator opening, or if you have an island, as shown, guide it through both openings. If mounting to a countertop, secure your tower using the 4 long bolts and nuts and 2 rubber washers. If mounting directly onto your Kegerator, use the 4 short bolts and metal washers. Now, screw the tap handle onto the keg tap and fasten the keg tap to the tower by rotating counterclockwise. Locate the translucent hose connected to the keg tower and attach it to the keg coupler. Then, connect the keg coupler to your keg by pushing down and twisting clockwise to lock it in. Attach the regulator to the CO2 tank using an adjustable wrench to avoid leakage. Place a metal fastener around the neck of the red hose and attach the hose to the nozzle of the regulator. Tighten the fastener using a flathead screwdriver. Place another metal fastener around the other end of the red hose and attach to the nozzle on the keg coupler. Tighten the metal fastener. Twist counterclockwise to open the CO2 tank, unscrew the pressure valve until loose, and then rescrew until the pressure gauge reads 12. Place your CO2 tank onto the shelf and then lift the keg into the Kegerator. Tap your keg by pulling down on the black lever of your keg coupler. Make sure your keg completely cools before use. Place the tap tray below the tap. Pour and enjoy.